Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, X installed and VS Code with the Python extension. Open your project folder, create a virtual environment using Python mvenv. Venv so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, activate the venv on Windows use. Venv /scripts/activate on Mac OS/Linux use source. Venv/bin/activate. Make sure to select that interpreter in VS Code via the command palette. This ensures imports and linting use the right environment. Now you install libraries. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code so the active interpreter is your venv, then run pip install NumPy Pandas or pip install R requirements. txt for batches of packages. Once installed, make sure the linter and language server pick them up. Restart the Python language server if needed. You should pin versions by running pip freeze requirements. txt so builds are reproducible, and commit that file to version control to share the exact environment. Finally, import and use your libraries in scripts, modules, or notebooks. Run them with run Python file or debug using breakpoints to inspect values. For exploratory work, open the Python interactive window or a Jupyter Notebook inside VS Code for inline visualization. If you encounter import errors, check that your selected interpreter matches the activated venv, confirm packages appear in pip list, and reinstall if needed. One key tip: reload the window or restart the language server after environment changes to refresh VS Code's indexing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.